Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create Instagram post with text. So creating Instagram post with text is a great way to engage your audience and convey your message effectively. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide to creating Instagram post with text. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. So after you log into your account and open the Instagram, you'll get to see the story option available in the top left corner. So all you have to do is tap on the story icon or simply swipe left and it will lead you to the story section. So simply do that. And once you are inside this story, you can upload or click the photo simply there and tap on the text icon available up. You can decide which font you want to use or which color you want to use and create your text. Write your message using the chosen font. You can even use emojis to add visual interest and personality to your post. So after you have done it, you can adjust size and placement with your fingers, and after that simply save it to your camera roll and go back to your Instagram account and tap on the plus icon and post it to your story. All you have to do is post it to your story, and you can also add effects here. After that, simply add the caption and tap on the share icon available there, and it will be shared to your profile. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.